Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock all fan skins in Grow a Garden Beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. When you click on edit skins, you will be able to see the fan skins, and I have already unlocked the bean fence. If you want to unlock this bean fence, you can go to the top of the beanstalk after it's growing and you can claim it there on the top, but you need to remember that you have to contribute to 10 growth. Okay, and to unlock the other fan skins, you can go to your garden guide. And as you can see here, guys, that we can unlock the picket fence at level 10. And for the silver fence, you can unlock it at level 20. And for the metal fence, you will be able to unlock it at level 30. Yeah, so you need to increase your garden level. To increase your garden level, make sure that you complete all the achievements here. I have already completed the common achievements. So now I'm at level 8 and you can unlock each achievements here to get more fan skins on your garden. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!